Welcome to the EdbMails Remove Duplicate from Office 365, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 Duplicate Remover offers an easy way to remove duplicate emails from your Office 365 mailboxes. Simply connect your account and choose how to handle duplicates, move to deleted items, soft delete or hard delete. With advanced detection based on message ID, subject, body, date, and sender, EdbMails ensures accurate cleanup without data loss. Free up storage, boost mailbox performance, and maintain a clean, organized mailbox, all securely and efficiently. Let's walk through the step-by-step procedure to remove duplicate emails from Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Remove Duplicates from Office 365, Exchange, IMAP. Select Remove Duplicates from Office 365 mailboxes. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Select the required options and search criteria. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes, folders from which you want to remove duplicate. Click Next to continue. Click Start. Remove duplicate operation under progress. Remove duplicate operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it for a hassle-free Office 365 duplication process. Visit edbmails.com today.